Today we're gonna actually bring a bike seat, if you guys can see it. Let's go ahead and see the details. This part's pretty neat. It's really soft, so we're gonna replace it, and it comes with the springs on the corners, if you guys can see it. Now this is universal, right? And they give you the tools. They're included along with the Allen wrench, of course, you know, to hold it out and make sure it's tight. And they throw something extra. This is actually for your hand, you know. It's a reflector for you can put it on, strap it around your hand or in your shoulder or anywhere near your top of your hand, so you could be riding around at night, and it has a reflector. It's free, and they threw it in there. So this thing is actually really comfortable. We're gonna put it together right now and go cruising around with our bike and see how well it works, because this is supposed to be a really comfortable compared to my other seat that I currently have. It's not that very comfortable, so we're gonna replace it with this one. And look at the shocks itself. They're even secure in there. Not only are they secure, but they are rubber coated on the outside, so you can see that, and they don't move that much. They have a spring, good spring. Cushion is good. So let's go ahead and open it up a little bit more and put it together and see how well it works. So, all right, this is my old seat. It's a little, look at the shocks, little tiny shocks for the seat, and we're gonna replace it. You guys can see we're gonna replace it with a little larger one. All right, bigger. Look at this. I'm gonna flip it upside down so you can see how much space you have more. So I'm gonna replace that one with this one, and plus it's gonna match my black, you know, instead of brown I'll put black. The old one, if you guys can notice, then the tool that they give you is to tighten it up. So very simple, easy to tie it up, and just repeat it a couple of times and you should be good. See the seat, make sure it's not, this is the back end, so you guys can notice I can move this up and down, but so far I'm just gonna tie it up and we should be good. All right, there's the seat. It's all set up. Look at the shocks, bigger shocks. I like this pinstripe. Like the color. The cushion is actually compared to this one. Look at my old one. Look at the old one. This is the old one. This is the new one. For your butt cheeks right here, you can sit them down, rest a little bit, get some airflow going in there instead of the leather one that we had. This is too thick, it's too small. It covers a lot more of the actual real estate here, if you guys can see that. So I hope you guys enjoy the video. Okay, we're gonna cross here. All right, ready?